All right, Raphael, you got a good question here from YouTube. So, Raphael, how to combat continued delays for the hearings? So, this has obviously been a major issue over the past 18 months with COVID, and it was an issue already to begin with, because judges are typically inclined to grant at least one continuance to the opposing party, really with no questions asked. Outside of situations where it's like a temporary domestic violence restraining orders in place, they're almost always going to grant that one continuance. And that, depending on where you're at in the country, could back your case up 2.5, 3, 4 months. So, I mean, there's not a whole lot that can be done. You can start to paint a picture in terms of bad faith. And in most states, you're able to object to the continuances, and the judge may still grant them. There's not necessarily a mechanism. That's another huge flaw in this system. And you have to realize from the client side, from being someone going through the system, these hearings feel like they're so far away. There's so much space in between them. From the attorney side, from the judge side, when you're juggling multiple cases, you have multiple things going on, that 6-week, 2-month gap between hearings feels like nothing. And I think that's part of the problem, is that inside the system, it feels so much quicker than it does for a parent, because ultimately one of the parents is most likely trying to get more time with their children, and the other parent doesn't want that to occur. So when you get those continuances, it feels like you're losing time with your children.